Adding custom visualizations to your tooltips can bring your dashboards to a higher level. It enhances visibility on metrics and only strengthens your business intelligence. In this video, we're going to show you how to create custom tooltips within your Power BI dashboards, where you'll be able to show dynamic information of your choosing, including visuals, text, and any other information that you want to display. Rather than seeing the traditional tooltips that show minimal information, we can display dynamic calculations on hover. You can take this fundamental knowledge to have your tooltips display any kind of information that you want. Let's get started. To create custom tooltips, we first need to create a new page. So we'll select New Page along the bottom of our dashboard. We'll also rename it by double-clicking the page name and entering in the new page name. We have to turn this page into a tooltip, which will later display on hover. So we'll navigate to the format options for the page, and then we'll select Canvas Settings. We'll change the type to Tooltip. Now, it doesn't make a difference except for your visibility, but I want to have this centered, so I'll change the alignment to middle. We only have this space to display our information, and anything outside of this box will not appear on the tooltip. Now we just need to add an impactful visualization to our page, so that it complements the visualization that we're going to be hovering over. In this case, I'll add a bar chart, and I'll also insert the various fields that I would like to display. I'll view product by units sold. I'll also change the colors and formatting to better match my dashboard styling. There, that looks much better. Remember that you can always change the styling of visualizations by selecting it, and within the visualizations panel, you can navigate to formatting. Perfect. Now all we have to do is just connect the tooltip page to the visualization that we want it to appear on. I'll head back to my dashboard of visualizations where I want to connect that custom tooltip. Now to connect them, we'll select the visualization we want the new tooltip on. I'll choose this one. Then I'll navigate to the formatting section. I'll select General. I'll open the Tooltips menu. If yours are off, make sure that this is set to On. I'll switch the type to Report Page and choose the page that I want to use as a tooltip using the drop-down. Now when I hover over data points on this visualization, we can see that the new tooltip appears. You can repeat that process to customize your tooltips on any one of your main visualizations. This, again, is just foundational knowledge that you can take and apply to suit whatever business use case that you want. It enhances business intelligence, enhances your report, and makes it way more impactful. We hope that you enjoyed this Power BI video, and let us know what else you would like to see in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.